Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about how can we turn off power saving in our Samsung phone device. Friends, we want to off guys your Samsung phone guys power saving settings. So how can you off it today friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, now let's see how can we off guys power saving. Friends, we can on our phone set. Okay, first of all we will on our phone setting. Then guys scroll it and friends click on guys your phone guys this battery setting. Then guys you can see the stuff settings of how can we off guys power saving. Friends click on battery setting. As you can see power saving guys we can off from here guys. So like that guys you can turn off guys your power saving. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to turn off power saving in our Samsung phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Friend, do you have any doubt guys related to guys your Samsung phone battery setting? Yes, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys.